Hello, and welcome to the third part of the project Destiny, which unfortunately is also the last part of the project Destiny. So in today's video we will take a look at all the details that will be printed separately, the seed ship and the stand. So when it comes to the details, that is all those protrusions that I really don't know which purpose they serve, but they are printed as separate pieces. Also those main cannons, both shuttles, stand, and the seed ship. By far the most complex of all is the seed ship, so we will take a look at the seed ship in itself. So this is it. I already showed it, but why not to repeat it? It's basically made together from three main pieces, the one that I just got rid of, and the second half. It once again uses the pegs and holes to fit together, and then basically the third part, which is kind of holding all the both pieces together with the lock for the Destiny. So yeah, this is it. This is the seed ship, and all those details are basically relatively straightforward. Basically those kind of clamps, I guess. And as I already mentioned, those two shuttles, I so far printed them with my FDM printer, but hopefully at least at some point I will actually do them from SLA printer to look better than what I've got. Anyway, I don't really think it's necessary to show more. Oh yeah, I forgot the stand. Yeah, not really the most complex one, but it serves its purpose. So yeah, this is it. So basically now we will print the seed ship, we will print the stand and all the details, and basically put everything together. So let's go straight into it.
Okay, here we have the first part of the seed ship, and I already inserted those pegs. It's only paint sprayed because I will basically paint the details only when I assemble it. So here's the second half, and here I had a partial fail in the print. As you can see here, it didn't really stick and it made this basically hole. So I wanted to reprint it, but then when I look at it, it kind of looks nice. It looks like a battle damage. So in the end I decided to actually keep it, so that it has this nice weird battle damage look. I can always reprint it if needed. Anyway, it already has this peg inserted. So now basically I have to put both halves together. So it's together, and now we have this part that comes here. Okay, and it's in place. So yeah, the seed ship is assembled, and now I have to paint the rear engines, and maybe I will do a few more details, don't know yet. But anyway, yes, this is it. Yeah, maybe put some glue here. I don't know yet if it's even needed. Anyway, yeah, this is the seed ship, the battle damaged seed ship so far.
Okay, and as you can see here, we have both the seed ship and the Destiny already assembled. Yeah, I know I did not really captured anything from the assembling of the details, because I don't think it's necessary. It was basically just putting everything inside.
and you cannot really do it wrong because the correct pieces only fit to the correct holes. So yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. Same for the turrets. As you can see, I already inserted them because yeah, why not? And as for the shuttles, as you can see, I so far printed them out with my FDM printer, but yeah, they came out okay, I guess. But when my friend Ali will make his SLA printer work, I hope that he will basically print those two for me instead, because they are okay, but they could be better. And yeah, so everything is basically on its place, but as you can see, all those parts are not all the way in, and that's because I basically did not leave any tolerances there, and that means that I have to grind quite a lot of, and even that didn't really help. But they are they hold in place pretty firmly, so for now I will leave it like that. But you can rest assured I edited the models, so now there should be enough tolerance to actually do it. Now here for the seed chip, yeah, the battle damage seed chip, I basically painted all those lines to the silver, and also paint the engine. And here with the Destiny, I also painted the back white, but I don't think it's very well visible. Anyway, here we have a stand. Now I did not paint spray it yet, but now that I see it, that it has some paint here anyway from when I was painting it. So I don't think I will paint spray it, I will leave it like it is. So what we will do now, we will basically assemble it. Okay, and now we have the Destiny with the seed chip attached on the stand. Now, as you can see, it's still the back of the Destiny is well, heavier than I expected, but it has this nice sort of like taking off position, and of course it also helps with the seed chip, and yeah, it isn't really a problem, at least not for me. I guess for the ship as small as this is, the details come out really nicely, and I'm really happy with how it actually turned out. If I turn it to the other side, now you can see the side with the seed chip intact, and yeah, as you can see, all the detail parts are simply, well, inserted in, and the cannons are simply inserted in as well, so there wasn't really any point of me recording that. It would be rather boring. Okay, so yeah, this is my Destiny. But I have to say that now that it is finished, I am kind of thinking about actually printing it once again, but bigger. I actually, it turns out that after rearranging of my models, I have more space than I previously thought, and the ship could be bigger. So I'm thinking of printing it once again, but 20% larger. So yeah, I'm not sure about if I do it, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the paint scheme is not as sophisticated as on the model. I ordered some precise
paintbrushes, but they did not arrive yet, so I simply use only the paint spray. Okay, then I guess that's all. This is my Destiny with the seed ship in stand. I hope that you liked it, and we will see each other in the next project, I guess. Okay, have a very nice day, and bye bye.